if I didn't have a very hard day usually, and if I wasn't dehydrated, if I was staying inside in a cool place, I would do my very low intensity cardio before I break my fast if I'm trying to lose fat. And break my fast, have some food, make sure to have a good amount of carbs because I was obviously not eating all day, right? And then I train, but I don't make it too heavy, so I was able to train. I have a meal or two, depending on my timings, and then after eating, I decide to train to have the best performance. What about you?
So basically it depends on my goal. So if I'm planning to cut or just gain weight or muscle. But as per usual, what I do is before breaking fast, I usually do my cardio, which is gonna be straight away before breaking fast, and then I have my first meal, or I have my BCAA first, and then I will have my first meal, which is the iftar, and then I will do my second workout, which is gonna be the weightlifting workout, which is gonna be after breaking fast, and that's the time that I work out. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe, follow us, and if you got any questions about Ramadan, what to eat and everything, just comment below and let us know.